So we got a motherboard here. Let's see what's in one of these things. There's a CPU that's removable. Might have some gold. Screwdriver. Heatsink's quite tight there. I'm gonna try not to remove it just to make sure I don't break it, because if the motherboard is actually worth something, I don't want to break anything. What's this? This is something else. Let's see what's in this little. There you go. Okay, so it does have a CPU in there, but it's not removable. So if the board ends up being scrap or garbage, pop that guy out and scrap it for gold. As it is right now, it's stuck onto the motherboard, so we'll play around without we get a chance. So we got the motherboard, and then we have some other cables, power button, ports for the controllers, fan. Nothing too much to it. So that's probably what that's what's in a Xbox. So there's a bit of value. Probably like about $1 here. Motherboard, some cable, copper bearing motors, heat sinks. So maybe there's about $2 of scrap, maybe 3 max of scrap in a regular old school Xbox. And like I said, I'll look at the parts, see what I can figure out, and let you guys know in the description. Oh, and also I just noticed has tantalum, monolithic, quite a few. Xbox, I've noticed, puts quite a few monolithic capacitors on their boards. Not sure why, but people who collect them, Xbox is definitely one place to get the monolithic capacitors. So that's pretty much it.